The big Flightless part of New Caledonia who are referring to the is likely the Coco are rare and unique species native to the dense forests of New Caledonia, often steady origin in the South Pacific. The Coco is famous for its distinct characteristics. Flightless, while the Coco has wings, it is essentially flightless and uses its wings mainly for display or to fly short distance. Unique appearance. It has a striking pale gray plumage and prominent bright red necks and a beak. Its soft feathers give it a somewhat ghostly appearance, and its grisette can be raised when excited or threatened. Nocturnal. The Coco is mostly active during the daylight and nighttime. It uses its strong legs to move through the forest slow and quiet, for they need for insects, small invertebrates, and other prey. Endangered species. Due to inhabited destruction, introduce predators such as dogs, cats, and rats, and its slow, be protective threat. The Coco is considered endangered. Conservation efforts are in place to protect this iconic bird. This bird is symbolic of New Caledonia's unique biodiversity and is a symbol of island's effort to preserve its small nature heritage. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more new videos. Thanks for watching.